So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and make a collage on your iPhone. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic and it really does not take too much time at all. Now, there's a lot of different ways to do it. One of the easiest ways to do it is to just download an application to do it for you. So if you want to just type in Collage on the App Store, you'll be able to find a bunch of different applications that will give you the Collage access. So go ahead and download, whichever one. This is the one that I'll be using here, but again, you can download whichever one you want. So go ahead and download the app and go and open it up. Now, what you're going to be able to see after is you're going to be able to go through and basically bring in some photos and be able to add them into a collage. So just like this, I'll be able to come inside of this particular page like this. I'll go and click on continue. Don't know what it wants from me. I'm going to click on X. And then you want to give it access to all your photos, or whichever ones you wanted to give access to. You can then go through and choose kind of the layout of the collage you want. Do you want it top and down like this, 4 different photos like this, one big photo and then 2 different ones? You can choose whichever style you want. Once you choose it, you can then go ahead and change out the photos. So here, if I want to, I can tap on the photo and delete the photo like this, but then I can go through and tap on the empty spot and bring in another photo. So if I want to, I can bring in like this photo, for example. I could then go through and choose a different photo, click on delete, click on this photo again, and then find the other photo if I want to. So in this case, I'll bring in this one. So from here, you can hold down on a photo and move it around like this. You can zoom into a photo. You can then go through and kind of change out this photo whichever way you want to. It's really up to you, whichever way you want to do it. And then you can usually click on the share button in the top right corner. You might have to watch an ad, but then you'll be able to save this particular image out. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.